This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make honey mustard sauce without mustard. We will dive straight into crafting a delightful, creamy, and tangy sauce that perfectly mimics the beloved honey mustard flavor. This method relies on clever ingredient substitutions to achieve that signature taste and vibrant color, ensuring your condiment is both familiar and surprisingly new. Get ready to transform your meals with this versatile and easy-to-make dressing. To begin, gather your essential ingredients for this unique sauce. You will need 1/2 cup of creamy mayonnaise, which forms the rich and smooth base. Next, measure out 1/4 cup of golden honey to provide that signature sweetness. For the crucial tangy element, have 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar ready. Finally, grab 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric for its vibrant color and subtle flavor, plus 1/4 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder for depth. Now, let's mix our ingredients to create this fantastic sauce. In a medium-sized bowl, combine the 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of honey, and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Whisk these together until they are well blended. Next, add the 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. Continue whisking vigorously until the mixture is completely smooth and has a consistent, creamy yellow color throughout. Finally, it is time to season and serve your homemade honey sauce. Taste the sauce and adjust the seasoning with a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper to your preference. If you desire a bit more tang, feel free to add another 1/2 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. This delightful sauce is perfect for drizzling over grilled chicken, as a dressing for fresh salads, or as a flavorful dip for your favorite snacks. Enjoy your unique creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.